So the next section I want to give a brief overview of is section 10 of the IEP document, and this is titled General Factors. So section 10 has a yes or no checklist of questions that they want to make sure that the IEP team has considered. So the first one is right here, it's the strengths of the child. So has the IEP team considered what are the student's strengths? What is the student doing really well with? The second is what are the concerns the parents have for the education of the child? Has the IE team addressed that and considered what are, what's the parents' perspective? What do the parents think needs to be done? So that's that one. The next is the results of the initial or most recent evaluations of the child, so taking in all of the data and testing and collections. Have those been considered? Have the results of performance or any state or district-wide assessments been considered? The academic development and functional needs of the child. Has the IEP team considered what the student is performing in? How is that happening? So typically, ideally, you never want to check no on this list. You always want to check yes, because at this point, when you reach section 10, you should have already covered every question on this list. So ideally, you should be able to click yes on all of them. So then that covers the need for extended year services, and that just goes through whether the team has decided that it's not necessary, or have they determined if it is necessary and why, which goals and objectives or benchmarks determine that extended year services are necessary. And then the last part is the team needs to collect further data and making a determination, and we'll meet again. So here's what they are going to find. What kind of data do we need? What kind of data do we need to back up this decision? And then when are we meeting again and having that plan put in place?